Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Tuesday, September 29th, 2009. One of the things I'd like to go through is the browser, because settings for the browser have changed a little bit over the course of the last two releases. It used to be that when you selected a package and then selected a class, none of the methods would be showing. You'd have to first select a protocol category and then finally a method. Now all the methods are visible and they're going to be in alphabetical order by default. Now if you're one of the old traditionalists in Smalltalk and this is not the way you want it to work, which I find hard to believe, but if that's what you want, you can go to System Settings, come down here to the Browser tab, and you'll notice a couple of things. Show all methods when no protocols are selected is the default. You can come down here and change the selector protocol from alphabetical to traditional. I tend to like it in alphabetical because then I know where everything's going to show up. The other one you might want to look at is auto categorization. What this means is if I create a method and in a superclass that method exists and is in a specific protocol category, it'll go into that protocol category no matter where I put it. So for instance, if I come here into this guy, and let's say I go into accessing and I put print on, stream, super print on, stream, you'll notice what's going to happen is it's going to stuff it into printing for me, because by default object has a print on, it's in printing, so it's going to put it there for me. If that's not what you want, you can go back to settings and you can change this to always. If you want it to never happen, well, you'd have to go and change the code, but that's the way this is going to work. So those are a couple of things you might want to be aware of in the browser that have changed over the course of the last couple of releases. Now the show refactoring changes, what that means, if I go ahead and try to refactor something, normally if I don't have that on, hit help and it'll tell you what happens. If you don't have that on, it's just going to go ahead and refactor. If you have it on, it'll pop a dialog box up and show you all the refactorings that are going to happen when you try to do something. In any case, that's about it for today. I just wanted to go through some of the things here in settings that have changed over the course of the last couple of releases that you may not be completely aware of, and what changes you can make to those if you so choose. So, that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.